Yeah, pay attention here. No? So we have here the present, the past continuous. Yeah, the past continuous. So it is important to review. So remember, here you have in your book you have the past continuous, and yesterday we work on that. No, so how do you formulate a sentence in the past continuous? Subject was or were, in negative wasn't or weren't. The full form is was not or were not. The verb in ing, and here you have the complement. No, so complement. For example, you can say, I was studying English at 4 o'clock. Or you can say, you were studying English last summer. Yeah, so this is the structure. And here you have a question, double yes or no question, and double H questions. No, so you can say here double H word, what, who, when, where. So you can use here was or where. Okay, so where for you, they, we, was, he, she, it. Okay, so the verb plus ing and the complement. For example, you can say, what were you doing yesterday at night? Or what was your mother wearing yesterday? No? Okay, so what were the children doing during the class yesterday? So past continuous. Yeah, the past continuous. Okay, and we have different usage here. Let's pay attention. Here. I told you that we use the past continuous to talk about an action in progress at certain time in the past. Past continuous, no? So you have here, for example, she started playing at 10 o'clock. She finished playing at 11:30. So she was playing tennis, so this time, no? So you have to talk about an action in progress. Okay, so from this time to this time, she was playing tennis. Okay, so we don't usually use the past continuous with the stated verbs. Can you say liking, loving, seeing? No. Yeah, so can you say I was loving? No, I love the movie. So you have to use the simple past. I was liking? No, because they are stated verbs. Yeah? Use the simple past, not the past continuous, to talk about completed action. Completed, that you finish. Okay, completed action. I called you last night. Okay, or I didn't hear the phone. I was watching TV. So you have simple past. I called, or I didn't hear. Okay, and also you can use the past continuous with simple past to show one action was in progress when another action happened. Yeah, I was driving to work when I crashed my car. No, I was driving to work. Another action when I crashed my car. Okay, so they noticed the wallet was missing when they were paying the bill. So one action was in progress and another action happened. Okay, so let's see. Or you can say, for example, yeah, I was taking a shower when you called me. So I was taking a shower, so something happened. What you called me. Yeah, so you have to here. Okay, so now let's move here. Yeah, to practice, think about 8 o'clock in the morning today. 8 o'clock in the morning. Yeah, 8 o'clock in the morning. So today, yeah, at 8 o'clock. So you have, Anneli, what were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning? I was
studying.
Okay. Studying. So, Fiorella, what were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning?
I was cooking.
Okay. Yuen, what about you? What were you doing at 8 o'clock this morning?
I
Were
was
you sleeping? Were you dancing, working, going to school?
I was cooking.
Okay, yeah. So maybe you were making the breakfast, no? Now let's go with Giancarlo. What about you, Giancarlo? What were you doing at 8 this morning?
I was working in the office.
Okay. And Humara, what about you?
I was reading.
Reading?
Yes.
Okay, yeah. Tiara, what about you, Tiara? What were you doing? Tiara, are you there? Or Adrian? Adrian?
I was working.
Working. Ricardo, what about you, Ricardo?
I was studying in my class.
Okay. Gina?
I was working in the street.
Walking on the street. Okay, yeah, as you can see, so in that situation, so you can use the past continuous, yeah, the past continuous. This is very easy. For example, here you have in the past continuous you have was or were, but in the present continuous you have I am, no, I am, they, we, you. So you have are, he, she, it. You have what? Is. Okay? So, but this is the same structure. So you have subject, the verb to be, and here you have the verb plus ing and complement. In the present, yesterday, no, so you can say now or right now, right? But it's the same. You have to change only this. Am no, so is was. Are no, so you have to change. Here you have were. Is no, so you have was. Was. Okay, so you have this. Yeah, it's similar to, the structure is similar to the present continuous. Only change the verb to be and you will have, and also this expression, no? So now, no, so yesterday or last year, so in the past. Yeah? Okay, now let's go to your book. Okay, so here you have modern fairy tales. Modern fairy tales. So yeah, this picture is from a movie. Which movie, guys? Did you see the movie? Somebody in this class? Do you remember this movie? The picture that you have in your book? Yes or no?
Juegos del Hambre.
Yeah, yes, no. So you have Sin Sajo, Juegos del Hambre. So in English is the Hunger Games, no? So, and for example, the Hunger Game, okay, is a modern fairy tale. Is a modern fairy tale. In your book, okay, so yeah, we have a lot, no, fairy tales in our times. For example, we have the common ones. So you have, for example, Cinderella. You have here, for example, La Caperucita. So we have a lot, no? So today you will talk about a modern fairy tale, and in your book here in this part, you have characteristics, okay, characteristics in most modern fairy tales. So here you have the characteristics, yeah. So And we will read this. You have 6 words. You have, for example, clever, struggles, struggle, survive, incredible, overcome, discover. Yeah, discover. Okay. Survive, incredible, and discover. So yeah, you know, no, you know the meaning of this word, but maybe clever, struggle, and overcome. So you will, I will tell you. Yeah, I will tell you the definition of these words. So here, let's read. Let's read, please. Characteristics of modern fairy tales. Yeah? Pay attention. Anneli, please. Number 1. The first characteristic. Anneli.
There is a good character and a bad character.
Yes. For example, in Harry Potter, the good characters are Hermione, Ron, and Harry Potter, no? The bad character are, for example, or is, I confuse, is Dumbledore or Voldemort? Who is the bad character? Voldemort. Okay, yeah. So Voldemort, for example, is the bad character. Yeah, in Harry Potter movie. So in Cinderella, for example, you have the good character, the Cinderella, no? But the bad character, you have the stepsisters, the stepmother. So you have. So here, number 2, please, Fiorella.
The good character is often clever.
Yes,
The
no?
good character is often clever and brave.
Yes, okay. For example, the good character is often clever. Clever is intelligent. Yeah, intelligent, smart, and brave. For example, in Harry Potter, yes, Harry Potter, okay, is intelligent. Harry Potter is very brave. Okay, so this is another characteristic of fairy tale. Joel, please, number 3.
The good character strangles to something difficult, like escape
Yeah,
from
can you continue?
like escape from a dangerous situation and survive.
Survive. Just be careful here, Joel. Can you say struggle? Struggle.
Struggle,
Struggle. Can you
struggle,
repeat, please?
struggle.
Struggle. Yes. When you have the good character, struggles. No struggles you have. Okay. So the good character struggles to do something difficult, like escape from a dangerous situation and survive. No? So you have another characteristic. Okay, so number 4, please, Giancarlo.
Incredible thing happen. Animal talk goes appear.
Appear. Yes. Okay. So yes, for example, in Harry Potter movie, so yeah, for example, a snake. No, a snake can talk. Okay. Yes, we also have ghosts. For example, in the castle, so you have ghosts that appear, in Harry Potter movie. Incredible things happen, right? And here, Humara, number 5.
The good character overcomes the difficult situation and success.
Sexy.
The
Yes.
good character overcomes the difficult situation.
Okay, so overcome is when you have a problem, but you have the solution. That's why you have overcome, no? So, for example, you can say, last year my mother died, okay? So it was a difficult situation for me. I was really devastated. I was really sad. But I overcame that situation. Now I feel better. no? So you overcame that situation, okay? So what does overcoming? Yeah, don't worry, I will give you the definition. Don't worry, don't worry. Number 6, please, Adrian.
The good character often discovers something important about life.
Yes. Okay, this is another characteristic. Ricardo, finish.
And the story usually ends happily.
Usually. Can you repeat, please? Usually?
Usually.
Yes. Okay. Pay attention. I will tell you, okay, the definition. No. Here you have the definition. Yeah, here you have the definition. So, for example, to deal with a difficult situation successfully. To deal with a difficult situation successfully, you have overcome. Yeah, overcome. And then you have here, for example, number 2, intelligent. What does intelligent mean? So,
Clever.
Clever, struggle, survive, incredible, overcome, discover. So is clever. Yeah, clever. Please, let's finish. 1 minute. 1 minute. Okay, yeah. Intelligent, you have clever. What else? Number 3, what do you have? To do something that you didn't know in the past. What do you have there?
Discover.
Yeah. Yes. So in number 4, hard to believe. It's difficult to believe. What do you have?
Incredible.
Incredible. If something is incredible, so it's difficult to believe.
Incredible.
Yes. To try hard to do something difficult. Try hard to do something difficult. What do you have?
Strong.
Struggle. You have a struggle. Yeah. So yes, struggle. Number 6, to stay alive in a difficult situation. To stay alive in a difficult situation. What do you have? The last one.
Survive.
Survive. Yeah, survive. So please be careful with a pronunciation, okay? So you have, yeah, clever, no clever is easy, but especially with struggle, okay, struggle, survive, overcome. In the past, overcame, no, but in the present, overcome. Yeah, be careful with struggle, survive, overcome. Discover is easy, clever, incredible, yeah, you know. But struggle, survive, overcome. Yeah? So be careful with this. Now, yeah, I will give you more examples. Examples here. Yeah. So brave, because in your book you also have brave. Brave is not afraid, no, without fear. The crab was brave enough to tell the dog what he thought of it. Oh, okay, so you can say, who is braver, a man or a woman? Clever, intelligent, okay, smart, quick thinking. How clever, you can say, how clever of you to work it out, no? Do you think that politicians are clever people? You can say yes, or maybe no, me, so some of them um, haven't finished the university, so you can say, no? Um, discover is similar to find out. The animal discover a new food on the tree, no? So discover. Oh, here you have incredible, hard to believe, something is amazing, unbelievable is a synonym, is incredible, no? these are the most incredible waves I've ever seen. No? Here you have overcome to successfully deal with a problem. Yeah? He overcame injured to win the Olympic gold medal. What is a problem that you overcome? How? No? So in our life we have different or many difficult situations. But we overcame because I think now we are fine, we are happy, okay, because we overcame that situation. Yeah, sometimes a relative dies, okay, so we, for example, get divorced or we break up with a boyfriend, with a girlfriend, or sometimes, for example, we have bad scores, we get bad scores in the school or at the university, but we usually overcome these situations, yeah, because now we are here, okay, so you are not sad forever, no, so because you overcame those situations. Here you have a struggle. A struggle is to try hard to do something difficult. The two guinea pigs are struggling to get the food, for example. No? Try hard to do something difficult. I've been struggling against smoking for many years. No? So, in Spanish, struggle, what does struggle mean? Or what do you understand? Struggle.
Luchar.
Luchar, esforzarse, no? So you have a struggle. Yeah? Here you have survive. Survive is to stay alive. Yeah, so the flower managed to survive that drought. No, so survive. You can say many people survive and this the Titanic, for example, from the Titanic accident. Okay, so pay attention. To finish with this activity, now here in this part you have characteristics, okay, of modern fairy tales. You have there is a good and bad character. The good character is often clever and brave. The good character struggles to do something difficult, but like escape from a dangerous situation and survive. Incredible things happen. For example, animals talk, ghosts appears. The good character overcomes difficult situations and succeeds. The good character often discovers something important about life. The story usually ends happily, no? So most of fairy tales, okay, modern fairy tales, so have these characteristics that you have here, yeah? For example, here, for example, you have this movie, Shark, for example, yeah, this is a modern fairy tale, no? Here, good character, so maybe you have Shark on the donkey. The bad character, so could be the king or there is a man, no? Okay, so pay attention here. Now you will write about a modern fairy tale. Yeah, for example, I chose Harry Potter. For example, listen, Harry Potter is a modern fairy tale because there is a good character called Harry and the bad character is Lord Voldemort. Harry is clever because he has to solve many mysteries in the movie. In this movie, incredible things happen. For example, a snake talk, there are ghosts. So please, when you talk about your modern fairy tale, so you have to include words from the book. Clever, incredible, struggle, overcome, discover, so include. Yeah, I will give you for this Yeah, 7 minutes. 7 minutes. Yeah, 7 minutes, please. Let's write. Choose one fairy tale. If you have a question, ask me. Yeah, how do you say? So you can tell. Yeah, let's listen to you. Now let's go with Gina. Gina, can you tell about your mother fairy tale? What do you have, Gina? Ah, yeah, okay.
It's a modern fairy tale because there are two good characters called Frodo and Aragorn. The last character is Sauron. Aragorn is always kind, and in this situation happens incredible things. For example, the fight with God and George.
Okay, yeah, Gina. So now let's go with Ricardo. Ricardo, what about you?
Okay, Miss, but it's very short, Miss.
Yeah, but the most important is to use the vocabulary. So,
Okay, Miss. Spider-Man is a modern fairy tale because the good character is brave and clever, and his powers are incredible. Spider-Man always overcame his enemies, and he always survived.
yeah, okay. So let's go now with Adrian.
Okay, teacher. Kung Fu Panda is a modern fairy tale because our two characters connect a Paul and Mr. Shifu, and the bad character is Tailong. Mr. Shifu is a weaver because he trains the five warrior and Paul. Mr. Shifu discovers how he trains the new dragon warrior. It's incredible how a panda wins a better warrior.
Okay,
The new dragon warrior overcame the fight with Tailong and finally survived.
okay. Yeah, pay attention. Just be careful. Please be careful when you say the word call. You have the good character. So there is a good character call. Yeah, so be careful with that. That is for everybody. Yeah? Or Joel, are you there, Joel?
Yeah, teacher.
So, yeah, what about your modern fairy tale?
Hansel y Gretel is a modern fairy tale because both characters are very clever and they always find witches and kill them. It's incredible how the towns in this fairy tale are witches' house, and the people have to survive that until Hansel and Gretel arrive to save them.
Okay, yeah. Thank you. Now let's go with Fiorella. Fiorella, what about your fairy tale?
Excuse me, Miss. I did it with another movie.
Yeah, it's correct. You can do it, Fiorella.
Really?
Yes,
Okay.
with a movie, with a story, with a book, don't worry.
Okay. Busca Implacable is a good movie because there is good character called Brian Mills, and the bad character is Roman. Brian struggles against many men. He's clever. The movie is incredible because Brian discovered many mysteries with his daughter. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Yeah. Now let's go with Anneli. Anneli, please.
Okay. The fire siguiente is another fire tale because there are good characters like Aurora and the fire, and the bad character is Malefica. The fire are very clever because they hid Aurora too many years without being found in this movie. Malefica turns into dragon and it is incredible.
Okay. Yeah.
Which?
Just be careful, Anneli, when you have clever with A. Clever. Yeah, so be careful with that. Okay, so here. Okay, just be careful when you have these words. When you have clever, intelligent, struggle. Okay, so when you do something difficult, so if you struggle with that, survive, incredible, no survive. Overcome is when you have a difficult situation, but you overcome that situation, right, successfully. So you have to deal with a difficult situation successfully. Yeah. So only maybe these 3 words you will remember. Yeah, because the other are easy to remember.